emphatic. Was that case?
The sentence.
Aware and appreciative of particular distance in this case.
Just tell me who you are.
My name is Emmanuel Msoke. I'm the father of the deceased designer. My life has been taken off. I don't know what I can say. For the 8 years since my daughter has been murdered, my life has never been the same. The family has been broken up. My son does not even sleep home. Everybody abandoned the home. I don't know what I can say, but Kirabo did a very, very terrible thing to our life. She was only my daughter. Last week I was attacked by thieves at home. I was admitted in Zambia. All girls who worked on me were classmates of Desire, and that has traumatized me a lot. I'm not God. I cannot say Kirabo should be murdered, but it's your right here. Family a sentence. All what we do now, it will never bring Desire back to my life. I leave it to you, oh my God.